Hello, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you here on my screen what Coolify is. And well, it is a software that you can install on your own server or in the cloud. And this tutorial will be for installing n8n in the cloud. In the cloud option of Coolify, and it costs $5 a month. If you want more servers, it costs you $3 a month per additional servers, but you can connect servers like DigitalOcean, Hetzner. And in this tutorial, we're going to use Hetzner. I am going to show you how to sign up on Hetzner. I let it show my screen, and you go to hetzner.com. You go here to cloud, see the shared options, vCPU, and here you go to get started, and then below the login, there will be an area that says register now. Here you register, and you will be able to have your panel where you create a project. I already have this project where I am going to install n8n. I click here and I immediately go to security. Then I have to enter my Coolify panel, which I already have ready here. I already pay for the cloud. If you don't want to pay for the cloud, you can install it on your own Coolify server with some instructions they provide. But in this tutorial, we are going to look at it. Let's go here to the Coolify panel. I already have some servers from a SaaS that generates $2,500, $3,000 a month. And I have a video about that on my channel. And you can go here to keys and tokens. And I am going to create a new private key. And I just click here on generate. I can change the name to the name of my project. In fact, yes, I will be using this name. What's it called? Installation of n8n, because I will be making videos on how to create artificial intelligence agents with n8n. So I copy this, or, well, I have it ready to copy. I go here to Hetzner in the security area and add an SSH key. I remove the space and put the n8. Well, I copy it from here with the same name, and I paste it here. This SSH key is now ready for my server that I will be creating here. Then I click here on Add Server. I'm going to use the server in the United States so that, well, it's closer to where I am right now, which is Mexico. And I'm going to use Ubuntu, and I'm going to use a shared CPU to make it more affordable. Because if I go with dedicated, it's a little more expensive. We want to keep this IPv4. IPv6, it's fine like that. And we select this SSH key that we just created with Coolify. And well, that's it. Like, just give Coolify access so it can install n8n easily on the server. We don't change anything in these settings. I put here to identify the server, which is for the n8n. And I click on buy. In a few seconds, it's uploaded. The server is created, and all I have to do is copy the server's IP. And we go here to servers. I create a new server. I put here the IP address. All that is fine. I enter this private key that we have already created so that it I pus asta panel to grant access to the server. And we go here to private key to check the connection to ensure it is correctly connected. What's it called? The SSH key, and it's already connected to the server. It means that, well, the deploy is going to be done. Let's wait for the deploy to be done. Yes, the Docker deploy is done on this Hetzner server. And this Docker will allow us to install all the open source packages that it lets you install. Coolify and Hetzner, all without knowing how to program, or without knowing about DevOps. Let's wait. And done. Docker is installed on Hetzner, and Coolify did all that for us. Now let's go to projects. I have to create a project where I will place this server. Then I say that this is, well, a production server. I add a new resource, which the resource will be n8n. Here I search for it and use this version of n8n that is with Postgres, SQL, or PostgreSQL. I select my server that is already with Docker and connected with Coolify. and it's already configured. The only thing I have to do here is click on deploy and put my server here. Let's go to I have to go to servers, n8n, copy this domain. I already have my DNS open in Cloudflare. All I'm going to do here is add a record and put n8n, which is the subdomain I will use. This is my domain, and the IP it points to this, and I'm going to remove this proxy because Coolify gets the SSL certificate from Let's Encrypt. I click here on save. I'll be able to position it again in n8n projects. I go here to the project. The project names are a bit strange, but as long as you know or that this is your project, then that's it. From here, you can also make that change or even remove the one that Coolify gives you and save this domain. It's already pointing, so everything is fine from Cloudflare. If it weren't like that, it wouldn't connect. And I'm going to deploy. Let's wait. Let's close this, and it says, well, right now it's still initializing the server. Here you can see that the database is up, and this also says it's up. Let's copy this URL and paste it here. That here, there is already one, but on their website too, n8n.io, there is a section where they have many templates, and also the community is really large for n8n. And I will also be sharing, artificial intelligence automations, and you will be able to download them. I just share a JSON file, .json. You put it in a part here in the software, and the automation is already set up for you, even with explanations and notes like this, so you can understand how the artificial intelligence agent works. So that was the tutorial on how to install n8n on your own server and have it cost $10 a month, something like that. $15 a month. I'm going to use that server for another software called Plausible Analytics and maybe other apps. That's why I bought it. But you might perhaps with another smaller server could be well. Well, thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.